Have you ever found yourself overwhelmed by a mountain of tasks, projects, and deadlines? Feeling like your to-do list is an endless abyss? Well, you're not alone. Millions of people struggle with staying organized and productive. That's where Trello comes in. But here's the burning question. Is Trello truly free and private? Let's dive in and find out. Understanding Trello. Trello is a popular project management tool that uses a Kanban-style interface to visualize tasks and workflows. It's known for its simplicity, flexibility, and ease of use. But before we get into the privacy aspect, let's quickly understand how Trello works. Boards. Think of boards as virtual whiteboards where you can organize your projects. Lists. Within boards, you create lists to categorize tasks or phases of a project. Cards. Each card represents a specific task or action item. You can add details, due dates, attachments, and more. The free plan. A quick overview. Trello offers a free plan that provides access to many core features, including unlimited boards, lists, and cards, basic power-ups, add-ons to enhance functionality, integration with popular apps like Google Drive and Dropbox, team collaboration features, privacy concerns, a closer look. Now, let's address the main question. Is Trello free and private? While Trello does offer a free plan, there are some privacy considerations to keep in mind. Data ownership. Trello owns the data you create on their platform. This means they have access to your project information, including sensitive details. Third-party integrations. When you connect Trello to other apps, you're sharing data with those third-party services. Be mindful of their privacy policies. Security measures. Trello implements security measures to protect user data, but no system is completely foolproof. There's always a risk of data breaches. Is Trello free private enough for your needs? The answer to this question depends on your specific requirements and comfort level with sharing data. If you're dealing with highly sensitive information, you might want to explore more robust privacy options. However, for many individuals and small teams, Trello's free plan provides a sufficient level of privacy. Tips for enhancing privacy on Trello. If you're concerned about privacy, here are some tips to consider. Limit information sharing. Be selective about the information you include on your cards. Avoid sharing highly personal or confidential details. Use strong passwords. Protect your Trello account with a strong, unique password. Enable two-factor authentication. Add an extra layer of security by enabling two-factor authentication. Review third-party integrations. Regularly review the privacy policies of apps you integrate with Trello. Consider paid plans. If privacy is a top priority, explore Trello's paid plans, which offer additional features and potentially enhance security. Alternatives to Trello. Privacy-focused options. If you're seeking a more privacy-centric project management tool, here are some alternatives to consider. Task Warrior, a free open-source task manager that prioritizes privacy and security. TickTick, a popular task management app that offers a free plan with decent privacy features. Kanbanize, a more enterprise-focused tool with a strong emphasis on data security. Trello's free plan offers a convenient and effective way to manage projects, but it's important to be aware of the potential privacy implications. By understanding the risks and taking appropriate measures, you can use Trello safely while protecting your sensitive information. So, what do you think? Is Trello's free plan private enough for your needs? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're ready to take control of your projects, don't forget to give Trello a try. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.